obstacles. Powerful rotating drums, vibrating screens, and magnetic separators remove metal caps and contaminants. Workers inspect the high-speed laser scanners and infrared sensors identify and remove impurities from the crushed cullet, ensuring unprecedented purity.
Computer-controlled weighing systems combine recycled glass cullet with silica sand, soda ash, limestone, and carefully measured mineral additives.
The red-hot glass gob lands inside the blank mold, where compressed air and precision plungers begin shaping the molten material into a thick preform known as a parison.
The glowing parison transfers into the final mold, where high-pressure compressed air rapidly expands it into a perfectly shaped glass bottle.
Approved bottles receive a microscopic protective coating through automated spray systems that improve scratch resistance and reduce friction.
High-speed air knives ensure sterile perfection.
Autonomous guided vehicles like this one ensure that inventory is tracked in real time, maximizing efficiency.
This pallet here, lot number 42. Are the certificates clear?
Yes, cross-referenced and verified. Ready for depalletizing. Check the flow rate on line 3. Looks stable. Hygiene parameters are all green. Precision, torque-controlled heads securely seal the bottles at remarkable speed. Laser sensors verify cap alignment.
From recycled glass to finished product, these logistics terminals operate on a massive scale, ensuring continuous delivery to markets worldwide.
Sector 4 is clear. Proceeding to the facility now.
Over. All right, swing it left. We got room for another load over here.
Advanced energy recovery systems and heat exchangers minimize emissions while maximizing recycled glass usage. Young engineers analyze the data in real time, the remarkable journey of glass, recycled repeatedly without losing quality, creating a truly circular manufacturing process that continues endlessly.
An endless stream of innovation, turning yesterday's bottles into tomorrow's resources.